Alright. This is going to make the 4th time. Okay? Early this morning, I woke up and had my coffee. Like anybody does, you know, coffee. Then I come into my room, my little office here, and started putting this together. What is that, you say? Well, it's a clock. It's a spherical clock. It turns. And all these little guys right here, right there, those are resistors. And they're super small. I purchased, as soon as I could find it, that right there. And it is a microscope. And I'm telling you what, that thing is a godsend. I mean, it really works quite well, thank you. It helped me put some resistors on this thing today, but I did that off camera. I want to say how I can get it done. Anyway, I got the paperwork here, the instructions in other words, in order to show me how to do it, and I pretty much got them figured out. It's not easy. The words on that thing are even small, the instructions. What? But anyway, get it I shall. I'm having all kinds of troubles with cameras today, and I don't know why. Everything. Except for that one right there. But my little kitty cat, Mr. Chocolate Chips, which I just call him Mr. Chips, because I do a little bit of this and a little bit of that in electronics work, so I just call him Mr. Chips. It's kind of cool. I mean, you know, I put electronics together. At least I try. And, well, oh, well, I know you people have probably seen one of my videos to where I was putting together a 3D printer. Well, that 3D printer, it kind of went foobar on me. And it is a King Rune, and it is preferably a knockoff from a Endure 2 Pro. And the Endure 2 Pro, which is Creality Endure 2 Pro, it's pretty much identical, except for the PC board, that's the electronics board, the resistors and transistors inside. You know, the little heating element broke. And I thought, oh well. So I got a new one. And then after that, the temperature control thermistor broke. I already had a new one. Put it all in. And then when I was taking the bottom off so I could hook up the wires to it, it sparked. I didn't even touch it yet. But then again, my luck, and I'm believing this thing was used, and they just never said nothing about it. Because on the bottom, some of the screws that hold the bottom on were severely stripped out. That's not good. A lot of things were just not good. But I will get it, a new one, sometime next month, sometime middle of next month. And I will, meantime, work on this little clock. But what I'm trying to say, ladies and gentlemen, don't despair. It's still going to be a good day, even though it is Monday. Oh, did I say Monday? I meant Sunday. It's Monday in disguise, darn it. But anyway, it should be a much better day tomorrow. Provided my cat doesn't get behind the television set and knock the internet wires loose again. It took me an hour to figure that one out. Where's it disconnected at? I found it. Cat! Miss your chips! Don't do that again, little buddy. Anyway, that's all I got to say for this video. Keep watching Smitty's Digital Workshop, and I promise you I won't mess up anymore. You make me happy. Okay? Until then, have a great Sunday, and may God bless.